Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step guide to deleting your Gmail account from mobile. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Press on accounts. Now select your Gmail which you want to delete. If you want to delete this Gmail, you just have to press here remove account. That's it. So this is the step-by-step guide to deleting your Gmail account from mobile. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.